Welcome back. Until now, we have used positional arguments, where the arguments passed to a function are matched to the parameters based purely on their order. Python also allows you to use keyword arguments, where you explicitly name the parameter for each argument. This significantly improves code readability. 1. Positional arguments versus keyword arguments. Let's define a function that takes three parameters: name, message, and repeat. In the traditional positional call, we must ensure Alice is first, hello is second, and 3 is third. With keyword arguments, we explicitly assign the value to the parameter name using the equal sign. 2. The order advantage. The key benefit of keyword arguments is that they can be supplied in any order you like. Python reads the name of the parameter and maps the argument accordingly, making the code much more readable, especially for functions with many parameters or when the meaning of the data is not immediately obvious. 3. Mixing positional and keyword arguments. You can mix both styles in a single function call, but you must follow one strict rule. All positional arguments must come before any keyword arguments. Once Python encounters a keyword argument, all subsequent arguments must also be keywords. To summarize, keyword arguments are highly recommended for clarity, especially when calling functions with many parameters. Always place positional arguments first when mixing the two styles. Our next lecture 12:15. Default arguments. See you there.